Pop is our favorite value resort. We stay here quite often. Let me turn some lights on. They have some great storage options. I think the overhead lights are right here. Here we go. So we'll start here. There's a great little storage option here. Lots of room to put things. You have all of, well, normally the coffee tray is in here, but it's up here this time. You have a refrigerator here. They call them beverage coolers, but we've never had an issue keeping our milk cold in these. This room will sleep 4. It has 2 queen beds. You may ask, where is the bed? So this right here is considered a Murphy bed. Move these chairs out of the way, and you have a great bed. And this bed, a lot of people wonder about the bed. This bed is just as comfortable, just as nice as the main bed. There's no difference in the mattresses. They're both queen mattresses. Both beds have great storage beside the beds with lots of outlets and ports for your phone. Each bed has, there's one in the middle, there's one on each side. Large TV, some good storage space down here. This is also where the safe is. The safe, extra pillow down there. And then you have 3 nice sized drawers. They're all pretty much the same size. Also for storage, both of these beds you can put suitcases under the beds. There's plenty of room to put your suitcases under here. There's a great sliding door that separates so that you can get ready in the morning without waking up the rest of the room. This door right here slides. And then in here, we have there's a closet with good storage. Also over here, if you needed extra closet storage, they don't come out anymore.
Oh.
Used to, these pulled out.
Interesting.
That one doesn't pull out, okay?
Twisted maybe.
Yeah. Well, no, I think it's not coming out.
Interesting.
Here's the ironing board. More good storage. This is also where you'll find your iron and your hair dryer. Lots of shelves. Single sink, makeup mirror, magnifying. And then you have your shower. The cool thing about the showers here is they have the rain shower head as well as the regular one that will come down and spray. So great option for a value resort.
And a tub.
Yes, tub shower. Also, a lot of people don't realize that this right here will pull and make your clothesline. It pulls all the way across, lands over there. So if you have a connecting room, your door would be right here. This is not a connecting room, so you get a little extra room with you don't have the door. So.
And look, we found someone.
So that's our room tour of Pop Century. And just as a reminder, if you ever get to your room and you feel like you need more towels, more soap, more coffee, example, our room doesn't have a luggage rack, so we're going to call and get a luggage rack. But if there's anything that you need, you can always call and ask. So that wraps up our room tour, Pop Century. Thanks so much for watching.